Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to power off any iPhone from X to 18 Pro Max using buttons. Stay tuned to make it super easy. If your iPhone is on and you want to turn it off, don't just press the side button alone. On Face ID iPhones, it won't show the power off screen. Press and hold volume down key and power key at the same time. Keep holding until the slide to power off screen appears. Swipe the slider from left to right to turn off the iPhone. And that's it! Now you know how to turn off your iPhone safely. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.